Dear students, now we are going to solve a question in ray optics. The question is given: a concave mirror of radius of curvature 60 centimeter is placed at the bottom of a tank filled with water up to a height of 20 centimeter. The mirror faces upwards with its axis vertical. Solar light falls vertically on the surface of water and image is formed. Refractance of water is 4 by 3. The distance of the image from the surface of the water we have to find out. So your situation is like this. A mirror is at the bottom of the container. Water is taken up to height 20 centimeter. Given that light from the sun, which is at infinity, therefore incident rays are parallel. These rays are incident normal to the water surface. Therefore, initially, if rays are incident normal to the water surface, there is no refraction. So, before light incident on concave mirror, there is no refraction. Therefore, for concave mirror, object distance u is equal to infinity. Therefore, image is formed at focus of the mirror. So, v is equal to minus f. Minus f is because image is in front of the mirror. Focal length is given minus 30 because radius of curvature is 60. Focal length f is equal to r by 2. Therefore, v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. This shows that after reflection from the mirror, the light converges at a distance 30 centimeter from the mirror. That image is represented as I1. Okay. If there is no water, then the light rays converges at a point I1 and a real image is formed at I1. But here, after reflection, light undergoes refraction at a water-air interface. Therefore, as we know, in a combination of reflection and refraction, image formed by first reflection can be taken as the virtual object of the refraction. So I1 is taken as the object of refraction. So from the plane surface from where light undergoes refraction, object distance is 30 minus 20, 10 centimeter. So for refraction at a plane surface, I1 is the object. Therefore, object distance u is equal to 30 minus 20 is equal to 10 centimeter, which is measured from the plane surface and it is in the upward direction, here to here upward direction, in the direction of incident light, therefore positive. From equation n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to 0. This is the equation of refraction at the plane surface. So image distance we can represent as v dash and u dash. V dash is equal to n2 by n1 into u dash. N2 is the refractance of the second medium. It is here air. And N1 is refractance of first medium. It is refractance of water. Because light is traveling from water to air. So here N2 is 1. The N1 is 4 by 3. And the object distance is 10. So V dash is equal to 30 by 4 is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Here distances are measured from the interface. In refraction at the plane surface, distances are measured from the interface. Therefore, image is formed at 7.5 centimeter above the water surface. Therefore, answer is 4. Here what happens is, as light travels from water to air, refracted ray bends away from the normal. This light rays converges at a point I2 and it is at a 7.5 centimeter above the water surface. So generally in combination of reflection and refraction to find out the successive images or final image, uh, we are using the principle is that image formed in one stage is considered as the virtual object of the others next stage. Okay, in most of the questions in like this we are using this method. So please note that. Okay, thank you.